I will be cutting the two sides together, the front and the back. The shoulder measurement is 8 inches. Shoulder slope of 1 inch. Arm cycle of 8 inches. Neck width of 2.5. Neck depth of 1 inch for the back, then 3 inches for the front. Remember, I'm cutting both the front and the back of the gown together. Bust is 10 inches plus 2 inches, that is 0.5 for sewing allowance, then 1.5 for ease. So I'm just going to connect it down to the hemline. Meanwhile, the length of this gown is 40 inches. For the armhole curve, get the midpoint of the armhole. Go in by 0.5 for the front. I will go up by 2 inches. Then curve it into the hemline. For interfacing, this is on fold. Place it under the main fabric. Then you just have to trace it out. Do the same for the back. I'll be measuring 7 inches for the back. Then I'll cut it open. After that, open the main fabric, place it front to front and sew it all the way. You will still do the same for the back. This is for the design at the front. The length is 11 inches. The width is 1.5. I've already ironed it and I'll be placing it here. I've notched the center of the neck. If you want, you can sew it this way, just at the edge, or you can use a hemming gum to hold it down. Whichever way you want, it will still work out. After doing any of those ways that I mentioned, then now you can place your interfacing. Sew it this way and weave the tip of it. This is for the pleated design on the sleeve. The width is 4 inches. Then I will hem it. After closing the sides of the gown, on the shoulder line, I'll be placing this front to front to the bodice. Then I will pleat it on it. I've already cut out my basic sleeve. I'll be placing it on the pleated design. Look for the center of the dress, which is the shoulder, and sew it all the way and do the same this way. After holding the pleated design down like this, I will then close the side seam. So if you don't know how to put pockets on your dress, please check the description box.